not going for a swim.
We're back at the gravel bank. Not going to be running the high banker today because don't have time. I've got to be out of here relatively soon, so just come down to go dig like crazy. The reference to the swimming though would make sense if you watch some of my videos on my other channel, Chestnut Nag. A couple of times I went for a swim recently. Yes, I know it's winter.
Yeah! And once again we have reached the critical level. These are the sounds made by a man questioning life decisions.
Alright, I'm going to jump in and dig. But I'll do some sample pans just so I've got some gold to show you. But I forgot, I need to show you the cleanup from the last video when we ran the high banker. Right, so we're really losing the light here, but I'm going to just try and quickly get this cleaned off. I think the angle of this top box needs to be steeper in order for these riffles to work better. Unfortunately they were clogging up. Here comes the lead. 1, 2, 3, 4 lots. There's the first bit of gold. There's a picker. Is that another one there? Or is that a lead? Oh! Beauty. Well, I was going to show you what was in there, except I wasn't recording, and now I've put it all in the concentrate pot. Yeah, so sorry about that. There was some really good pickers, honest. But anyway, I will show them in the final reveal because everything that's in that concentrate pot has come from this gravel bank, and I'll be showing it all off when I finish with this series. But so stay tuned. Patience. It's coming. Now, I've had two aims here. One was to dig down to depth at the downstream end of the trench, and the other was to stockpile a decent amount of material so that when I came back the next day with the high banker, I'd have a fair bit that I could just run through it. Old time of wisdom here, never leave gold in your gold pan.
Dad, you can't get any gold.
Well, it takes time and effort. I'm having a bit of trouble finding gold at the moment myself. Well, that's a bit of an issue. I've dug a fair bit deeper in that hole, not hugely deeper. I haven't got to the white clay / bedrock yet, but only fly poop. One little piece of lead, tiny shotgun pellet, like a bird shot pellet or something. I think it's a bit silly to stop, but it's not a very encouraging sign. So I'm going to go a bit deeper and see what I get. That is from the bottom of the hole. It's a lovely little sort of gritty piece, but there's that and a few other bits. But I guess the purpose of digging the hole right up there and then tilling a test pan was to see whether there was good gold all the way up the end of that. There's not. So I think the questions, we're starting to get to the point where we're getting back to the real purpose of all these videos, which just goes back to the choose your own adventure. What do we do next? What has just occurred to me as I was just about to ask that though, is the theory that maybe that streak of gold that was there was localized with the rock, the big rock I'm standing on. And if it is, maybe there's one localized with that rock that I removed. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to do a careful removing a sample from the wall on this side and see if that gives us a better result. This piece here is a little gritty piece we got in the last pan. All of these specks are from what I've just dug out from the side of the bank. Maybe there is a localized rock effect. Well, it's not that late, but the kids are getting fractious and I'm... my head's not coping, to be frank. Lucky, settle, shush! Now the dog's going off. Now I've got some ideas of what I should do next, as in tomorrow morning. But this is meant to be the Choose Your Own Adventure series, and since I'm going to be calling a night, I can get this video done hopefully tonight. I can ask you guys to give me some suggestions on what I should do immediately next. But just to summarise the situation, I've dug a hole deep at the end of this trench, got a very, very small picker and not much else. I've done a bit of a hole in the side of the wall, roughly behind where that big block of sandstone was, and got something reasonable, like a reasonable number of speck counts. I think it's more than 10. Some of them are an okay size, no pickers. But I didn't go down very deep. I've dug deep at the very front of the trench, the upstream side. The options that I can think of is excavate a side trench behind where that rock was and see if we get any better results. Excavate underneath the big rock, which is at the head of the trench, and go back towards the pond, and excavate either side of the sort of the T of the trench. If you've got any other ideas, or which of those. Now, I was about to say, if you've got any other sessions, let us know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to incorporate in the next session. I was trying to get a video on this spot out every day this week, but headspace and other stuff just wasn't able to do it. As it turns out, I've still got Craig's hide banker, so I might get another session in with it. But he did want it back this weekend. But I can't get in touch with him, even though he's been leaving comments on the videos. So, Craig, if you see this, let me know if you want me to drop your hide bank around today, or you're going to come out and have a coffee with me, or come out and check out the secret remote location of the gravel bank. And truth be told, just between you guys and me, I've actually been out there already again, and the last trip got some really nice goals, some shotgun pellet size pickers. And so that'll be the next video. But I still want to hear your comments on what I should be doing next, because, well, I want to know. Because I want to know what your thinking is as much as what you want me to do next. So, catch you guys in the next video. And of course, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you can be notified when the next video comes up. Catch you later. Bye-bye.